flexing geese bankroll. I get bread, you can't even get a bread roll. I see by myself.
I'm back. Obviously, I was on a work trip. That's why I did not upload. If you didn't know, you should have known. So go follow me on Instagram, Facebook, and Snapchat. The links are in the description below. But yeah, welcome back to today's video. And in today's video, that don't make any sense, but we are going to be tackling one little problem that my car has been facing. They tried to break into my car. Well, they tried to steal my wheels, but luckily I had the lucky walnut, and these wheels are quite expensive, mate. It's like what, 200 a pair? 200? No, 200 for one. Oh, bro, it's expensive, bro. It's expensive. Just know it's expensive. So we need to get new ones now. So I went ahead and purchased new ones from eBay. We got some Locky. Alright, so I'm gonna show you how to screw in a bolt. I fucking know, man. I miss videoing. It's so fucking funny. But gotta stop spraying now. Okay, so let's go. Okay, so I already got new lugs for it. Now how to install it? Very simple. And then you're gonna basically put on the pattern like that. Now this is for people that don't know how to do this, bruv. Like, you got them type of people in the world. And then you just shove it in and then you hand tighten it. Obviously you need to get the right torque setting specs or whatever. But for me, I'm gonna do it the budget way. Easy peasy, just like that. Then once it gets tight enough, then you can just start twisting it, and then now your wheel is anti-theft for that, bro. No fucking way. No way. Alright, so little problem. These motherfuckers sent me one bolt that is not even for the Locky walnut. I'm not sure, like, okay, cool. That's like a normal, I ain't telling you the size, that's like a normal one. And this is like the key pattern one. But yeah, so I'm gonna have to get in contact with them now and try to find out what I want, because, like, bro, I'm trying to secure my car and I can't even secure my car because you guys are fucking up on your end, bruv. Look him in his face and tell him, you know what? That's what you gotta do, innit? And I miss videoing, bro. I hope you guys miss me too. Obviously, that's all I can say. But yeah, it's thanks for tuning in for another video. Thank you very much for 404 subscribers. You do not understand how much grinding I have been doing, but it's a possibility. Road to 500 subscribers or even 1,000 subs. Is that possible? Should be. Anyway, share with your friends. I know you've got a couple man, yeah. You find someone that you like on YouTube and then you just keep it to yourself. You don't want to share that person so that then you can then say, oh yeah, I've done it for time. Don't do that. Share, yeah, and let's grow together. Anyway, Shamsi signing out. Peace. Wait, peace.